Hey everybody, this is Dustin, your RV specialist, and I'm here with Terry and Dave. And Terry, what do you think about the ORV's roofs?
Quality. They put together a good roof. They use the CDFs instead of the OSB, so it makes it nice when you go to peel the roof off. It doesn't take all the roof with it. All the moldings, sides, everything's sealed real well when we were taking it apart. I'll give them credit for that.
So they did a really good job then.
They didn't overglue.
Yeah.
They did spread it like a pro.
Very cool. All right, well, these guys are going to be replacing this roof today. They're going to be gluing it down. The other one ended up having some bird damage, so if you've seen it in our other videos. And so the guys are going to do their thing, and we'll try to capture some more footing. And then the products that we're using, let me zoom in on that guy. We're using Dicor roof glue, and we use the Dicor TPO material. So we're big advocates of that company. All the sealants that we use, same thing as well. Typically, we don't use any of the alpha sealant or the glue. And if you've seen any of our other videos or articles, you'll see why. Something chemically has been changed in it that we're not 100% for sure on, but the glue is just not as sticky as the Dicor, and the sealants just typically don't self-level or adhere to the material as well as the Dicor. So anyways, make sure you stay in touch and check us out for more. If you want to know more information, please check out our articles or other videos. Thanks so much for watching.